In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add ease to Shopify. To get started, you will first need access to your Shopify store dashboard. Open your web browser and go to your Shopify admin page. Then log into your account using the credentials you already use for managing your store. Take a moment here to make sure you are on the correct store, especially if you manage more than one Shopify shop. Once you are successfully logged in, you should land on your main admin screen, where various settings and management tools are available. Now that you are inside Shopify admin, the next thing to do is locate the Apps section. On the left sidebar menu, look for the option labeled Apps. This sidebar is usually consistent across Shopify admin pages, so you should see it along the vertical menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Apps to open the area where you can browse, manage, and install additional applications. This step matters because the Apps page is where Shopify shows all connected tools and provides the pathway to install new ones. After you open Apps, you will need to find the specific app you are trying to add, which is Eiz. On the Apps page, look for a search bar or a search option. Type in the word Eiz, making sure the spelling matches what is shown on screen. Then search or press Enter. Shopify will display matching results, and you should see the Eiz app appear in the list. This is the moment where you confirm that you are selecting the correct app, so pay attention to the name shown in the results. Once the correct Eiz listing is visible, you can proceed to open it. Click on the Eiz app from the search results. When you click it, you should be taken to the app's details page, where Shopify typically shows a brief description, key features, and installation options. Make sure you are on the right app page before continuing, because the next actions will begin the installation process. From the Eiz app page, you will see an Install button. Click Install to begin the setup. At this point, Shopify may show a permissions screen. This permissions screen is important because it explains what access the app is requesting to work with your store. Do not skip this part. Instead, quickly review the permissions you are being asked to grant. Read through what Shopify lists, and confirm that the permissions make sense for what the app needs to do. If you are unsure about any permission, take a moment to review it carefully before moving forward. After you have reviewed the permissions, you will confirm the installation. On the permissions screen, click Install App to confirm. Shopify will then complete the installation and may take a moment to connect the app to your store. When it finishes, you should see a confirmation that the app has been installed, or you may be redirected to a page where the app is now listed among your installed apps. Now you have successfully added Eiz to Shopify. The app should be available from your Shopify admin area, and you can begin configuring it based on the steps provided within the app itself. Remember that some apps may require additional settings, but the main goal of this process is ensuring the installation is completed and the permissions are approved. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.